back with another banger, man. Oh, bro. And let me put my fucking jacket on because I don't need to be on here with no shirt on, right? That's kind of like, you feel me? Kind of doing a lot, right? It's hot though. That's the only reason why I have my shirt off, and I'm in my room. So like, do I really care? Not really. But I'm gonna do it out of respect because you feel me? I don't know who might be watching. So, hey. So today it's a little 217 tone lesson today. Okay, 217 tone lesson on how to use OBS to stream. Okay, because that's what I use every time I stream, and also how to use Restream. Okay, for all those who don't know how to Restream, what for those of y'all who don't know what Restream is, or they're just behind Restream or just streaming in general, look. OBS is a software that you would download on your computer, bro, which will have your audio, your camera, your everything, right? Right now, the reason why y'all only just seeing me right now because I have scenes. I have scenes right now. I have 3 scenes. One scene is just my face. This, I have another scene that just has my picture on it for when, like, if I want to step away from my keyboard, I put that on there so y'all don't see nothing on my screen, so that way y'all don't get nothing on my screen, right? Bow. And then I got scene 1, which shows my whole fucking screen, even my face. So, like, you feel me? But look, I'm gonna show y'all how to set up OBS, right? So boom. Let me go change my scene, right? Go to scene 1. Bow. This is what you're gonna do, right? You're gonna go to Google. Wow. You go to Google. You look up OBS, right? Enter. Right? Bow. It looks like this. OBS Studios. You press that, right? Boom. It's gonna pop this up. It's gonna show Windows, Macs, or Linux. I don't know what the fuck Linux is, but if you have a Linux computer, I guess you press that. If you have a Mac OS, you press Mac OS. If you have Windows, like I do, press Windows. Okay? It really matters. That matters, okay? Because if you say you on Windows and you download the Mac version is not gonna work on your Windows. You feel me? So you gotta download the Windows version. You feel me? And then you also gotta make sure you have Windows 10 or 11. If you have anything else, I mean, like, yeah, Windows 10 or 11 is gonna work. Any other like newest Windows is gonna work with that, but any older Windows is not gonna fucking work with that. Mac OS, you have to have 12.0 or newer. Okay, newer. That means you know how Apple comes out like with a new fucking update all the time. I think they am like what the fucking like 18 point something like that, bro. And I don't know about Linux. I don't use Linux for real, so I never use Linux. Let's be honest. So you'll download it, boom, 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 boom. Right? You'll wait for it to download. It'll probably pop up here somewhere if you want. It'll probably pop up right here if you're on fucking Windows. I don't know where it's gonna pop out of on Mac. It's on Mac. Probably gonna pop out on the side or come out from the top or from the bottom, something like that, right? Now, but it's gonna open, right? And this is how you set it up. Look, I know it looks kind of complicated right now. Everything looks complicated, but I have Restream set up. That's why you see all like, you can see my mouse. That's why you see this over here. This is a chat. This is where you see my YouTube right there and my Facebook. That's what I'm streaming to right now. And then I put my title instead. I could change my title real time right now. Like if I really want to change my title right now, I could delete this and change the title. But look, this is how you're gonna set up your scene. So basically you do this like this, right? You press the plus sign, right? Wow. You see it's scene 4, but I'm gonna change this to demonstration. I'm gonna change the demo. Okay, this is demo. I'm gonna show y'all how I set my stuff up, right? So on the demo stream, right, it's gonna be blank like this. You're not gonna see nothing. You feel me? You're not gonna see nothing. You'll press you'll go down here to sources. While you're under the scene, you go to sources. Press this plus button right here, right? Boom. This is how I set up my stuff. I always set up with my video capture device first. Bow. Video capture device 3. It's gonna say it, but boom, whatever. I could create a new one, or I could add an existing one. You feel me? Which is probably gonna use that, right? Bow. Boom. I always set up with my face. Always set up with my camera. If you don't have a camera, you don't gotta do this part, right? Bow. Always set up with my face. You know, me personally, I like to put my face in one of the corners. It don't matter what corner for you, but me personally, I like to put it on the right. I like to put it on the left side because everything you see everything on this side, anyways, pretty much. Wow, right? Then you press this plus button again, right? Wow, you got a display capture or game capture. And like you see all this, right? You see all this. You feel me? You see all of this. Wow. But I go to display capture. Wow. Display capture is gonna be. I'm gonna do add existing. It's gonna be display capture. Boom. But usually you'll press create new. Press OK. Right. Wow. Now you got your display up there. And you see how when I put my display up there, how my camera um how my camera and stuff just like disappeared, man. Look, you can move these things too, by the way. You can move each one of these individually, right? Bow. But look, this is what you need to do. You need to switch these like that. Bow. It's layers. So whatever's at the top is always going to be on top of everything. Okay, whatever's at the top over here is going to be on top of everything. So that's why I would put your video at the very top. All right, put your camera at the very top, so that way you know you always see your face, right? And then put your display capture or whatever else after that. Really, you don't need really. You can press a plus and put audio capture and shit, but you don't need it because it's gonna give you an audio mixer. Boom. That's where you go over here. You got desktop audio and your mic audio. And you press the desktop audio, make sure your that's like say like you watching a video or something like that, right? You're gonna capture the whatever the video is saying pretty much. You feel me? That's the you test that. Make sure you test that right now. And then your mic. Your mic is also very important. Say like you're using a mic like me, like this. I have to configure this to OBS. So basically, I have to go here, bow, press properties, bow. Right now it says default because in my computer settings, this is my default mic. Okay? But boom, right here, you see that? This is my mic right there, V8S. That's my mic right there. Boom. You or whatever mic you have, you should know the name of your mic. You press that. Bow, right? Boom. Okay. Bow. You feel me? Now that's set up. Now you got your camera, your display capture, and your audio all set up. That's 90% of the fucking work already done. 90% of the work already done. You ain't got to do nothing else, really. Boom. Now, say you want to stream from OBS to like YouTube or OBS to Facebook or OBS to whatever you want to stream to, Twitch, whatever. You feel me? And like say you want to do like just one at a time. This how I would do it, one at a time. Like not like one at a time, but like say like you just want to stream to one platform at a time. Like you feel me? You just like say you just want to stream to just Twitch. You feel me? You got to make sure you go set up your stuff, right? You go down here to settings. On this side right here, settings. Bow. You click that, right? You go to stream. Bow. Now this is very, very, very important. Okay? This is important because right now on my stuff, I have Restream as my auto one, but I have Restream connected because that's what I go use OBS through. I use OBS and then Restream goes through OBS, if that makes sense, right? But usually it's gonna ask you what you streaming to. You click whatever you want to stream to, right? And then you gotta open up. Say like I want to stream to like Facebook or some shit. So Facebook or something like that, right? Boom. I have to open up Facebook, you know, I gotta type in Facebook. You feel me? I gotta type in Facebook, bow, 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 bow. Make sure you go into the, yeah, you feel me? You feel me? You gotta set up the Facebook. Hey, look at that sexy ass dude right there. I'm gonna share that real quick. Wow. Wait, hold on. Dude, that's me. I'm so fucking damn. Look at me. I'm like, bro, I'm handsome. Okay, fucking handsome. I'm gonna tell her fucking like. I could tell her to look at my fucking stream. Daz, look at my stream, Daz. Look at my stream, Daz. I'm teaching. I'm doing a class. But say like you want to stream, whatever, right? Boom, boom, boom. You just press live video, right? I'm gonna show y'all this on my end because my stuff. You feel me? I already got something going on right now. See, but my stuff is already. You feel me? You feel me? Already going. You feel me? I'm already doing it, right? Boom. Basically, you see this? You're gonna need a stream key, and you're most likely, yeah, you're gonna need your stream key. So this is where you're gonna find your stream key, right? So, and if you want to use your OBS, you need your stream key. So you'll copy the stream key, go back into OBS, and put your stream key wherever it says stream key right here, right? Then you'll press apply down here and then OK. Remember, always press apply and then OK. Don't just press OK because it's not going to go through. You got to press apply, then OK. Bow. Then once you do that, you're done, right? Then all you got to do right here is make sure you press start stream on here. Go to your destination where you're finna stream to. Make sure it pops up right here. And then you know, on Facebook, you got to put your title and stuff. You see all this. You get this is your complete task right here. You got to complete that, connect video source, and complete the details, right? Boom, and then it should pop up, go live. Then you can go live. That's how. That's one way. That's one method of how to do it, right? But I go through Restream, so I'm gonna show y'all what Restream does, right? Bow. This is. Oh dang! Don't look at my email. But Restream. I use Restream through OBS. Okay, Restream.io. Okay. Yeah, bow. So you press log in and all type of stuff. I already should have been logged in. Yeah, see, it's gonna automatically log me in, so I don't got to press nothing for y'all on here. You feel me? Bow, 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 bow. You see, this shows me all my recent streams. This is what I'm doing. Not right now. Actually, past streams. It shows you your past streams. Everything. You feel me? Sorry, I'm getting like hiccups and burps at the same time. But boom. So this is Restream, right? How did I use this? Oh, this is what you would do. Okay, so Restream. Make sure you make an account. I don't need no fucking recordings. It doesn't matter. It doesn't fucking matter. Look, I don't know what the fuck that is, but look. Basically, you will sign into Restream, right? Make sure you make a Restream account. Sign into Restream. Open up your OBS. OBS works with Restream. So when you go over here to your settings, wow, you feel me? It should pop up in a second. Wow, settings, go to stream. It's going to say Restream IO, and when you press Restream IO, you're going to click it, right? And then it's going to say, fucking connect account, right? You connect your account, sign in with Restream, bow, bow, bow. And then once you sign in with Restream, all this pops up. All of this pops up right here. It's going to be like that. You can move it wherever you wanted to move it at. You feel me? But it all pops up right here, right? That's no problem. Let me put that right there. All right. It all pops up, no problem, right? And then down here, this is where Restream comes in handy. Restream lets you stream to multiple platforms at once. Literally, multiple platforms at once. If I want to stream to TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, well, Instagram, you have to set your proportions into Instagram standards because, you know, most people on Instagram is on their phone. So you're going to have to set it to a point where the proportions fit the phone, which is going to make everything else look crazy. It's going to make everything look like fucking shit. I ain't even gonna lie. Yo, YouTube and shit ain't go. So I wouldn't suggest streaming on Instagram unless you are an Instagram streamer and you mainly stream on Instagram. Then go ahead, by all means, do that. But really, I wouldn't stream on Instagram. I don't stream on Instagram. I don't get views on my fucking streams on Instagram. You feel me? So I wouldn't even waste my time with Instagram, right? Boom. But look, you can add whatever you want. I can stream to Twitch, YouTube, Kick, Facebook, like I said, Instagram, TikTok, anything that you can go live on. I can stream to it through Restream all at once, right? All at once. See, look, right now, down here you can see I got my YouTube and my Facebook connected, and they're both streaming at the same exact time. So Facebook is seeing exactly what I'm doing right now, and YouTube is seeing exactly what I'm doing right now, right? At real time, same thing, right? I can add a channel if I want to, right? See, look, YouTube, Facebook Live. You can even do LinkedIn. I didn't even know you can even do. I didn't even know you can. I didn't know you could go live on LinkedIn. Like, that's crazy, right? Twitch, Kick, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, Rumble. You feel me? All these. You can go. All these. You can do all this. Telegram. All this. God damn, I didn't know. You see how many? You see how many shit you can go stream on? Like, gang, if you have any of these accounts, like, I would say stream to as many as you possibly can. I don't have my Twitch set up to this yet. I'm gonna make a new Twitch, because my old Twitch is all over the place. It's all over the place. I have reactions. I have reactions. I have just talking, just chatting. Then I have gameplay. I gotta make like solid one. So I gotta make a new Twitch, and plus I can't use 217 in the beginning of my name, so I have to fucking, you feel me? I have to find a way to, you hear me? I have to find a way to, like, separate myself, because, you know, nobody on the internet name is 217 Tone but me. So it should be no other reason why I shouldn't blow up, right? Because I'm the only 217 Tone. I am the only one. You go look up 217 Tone, you're gonna see me. Like you look up 217 Tone on Google, you're gonna see my face. It's gonna take you to my Instagram, my YouTube, everything. You feel me? But yeah, you set it up through here, boom, boom, boom. You add channels. Make sure this stuff is clicked on. Bow, bow, bow. You can stream to all that, right? All at once. I'm telling y'all the sauce. I just told y'all the sauce on how to do it. Alright? So there ain't no reason why people who have PCs can't fucking stream, can't fucking, you feel me, connect with motherfuckers. And then on top of that, one thing I will tell everybody to get, right? I will tell everybody to get Discord, okay? Get you a Discord, my nigga. Get you a Discord. Let me get up off that though. Y'all don't need to see what the fuck me and folks is talking about, gang. But actually, we don't be talking about shit in here. Really, I ain't gonna lie. I got streamer mode enabled, so like, oh, okay. Y'all can't even see who the fuck I be talking to, but look, I got streamer mode enabled, so y'all can't even see now. But I will say, you feel me? Y'all get y'all a Discord. Discord is gonna help a lot, because say you want to talk to somebody, right, on a game, like, cause I use Steam a lot. And with Steam, it's not like it's like some games have game chat, but all the games don't have game chat. You feel me? It's not like console. You feel me? This is fucking PC. You feel me? You gotta figure out ways and shit behind it. So Discord runs behind everything. Okay, like say you wanna play, like I could play 2K. You feel me? I could play 2K. 2K do have game chat, but it sucks on PC. 2K game chat sucks on PC. Nobody uses game chat on PC for real. Download Download Discord, right? Hey, hit motherfuckers up, text them. You feel me? Type text, whatever the fuck you do. You feel me? Tell them, hey, hit me up on Discord. Add me on Discord. You can get in the calls on Discord and be able to hear them through OBS and also in the game. You feel me? So that way everybody be on same page. That's why I say get a Discord. You feel me? You see that? I am Tone. You feel me? That's my Discord for anybody who wanna add me on Discord. I am Tone 1. I don't have no Discord group. I'm only in a fucking editing group on Discord, because I'm a real good, decent editor. I like to edit videos. It's one of the main things I do in my room 24/7. I like to edit shit. It takes a while, but I'll sit here for hours. I drink fucking coffee, sit here, drink, like, come on now. But that's pretty much the legit of how to stream. And then I just found out to get monetized on YouTube and stuff like that, y'all. I'm gonna tell y'all the sauce. I'm gonna tell y'all the sauce on how to start making money from y'all YouTubes and how to start making money from shit, right? With YouTube, they updated their policy. They updated their policy. You have to now have, instead of, because the old policy used to be you have 1,000 subscribers and you have and you will have like 1,000 likes or some shit like that, and then you would be able to get monetized and paid. But they changed their policy. Now you have to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time in 1 year. 1 year. People can get 4,000 hours of watch time in 1 year off of YouTube if you are consistently dropping 3 videos a week. If you can consistently drop 3, you don't even got to drop 3 videos a week. You could drop 2 good videos and promote them, and drop 2 videos and a reel. You're gonna get your watch time. Reels. That's the first way. That's the first way, right? That's the one way to get your YouTube monetized, to start making money, so you can get ad revenue. Ad revenue off of that is 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 hours of watch time, right? Within a year. If you want to get your stuff monetized through shorts, which a lot of people is doing right now. If you want to get monetized through shorts, you have to have, again, 1,000 subscribers, and then you have to hit 10 million views in 90 days. The only reason why it's 10 million views in 90 days is because reels go up fast, and if you do a reel right, it's more likely to blow up than an actual YouTube video. You feel me? So if you're gonna go to the real way, make sure you're being consistent on the reel, okay? On the reels, because if you're not consistent, it's not gonna work. You're not gonna get you gotta get 10 million views in 90 days. That's 2 months, 3 months, okay? 90 days. That's 3 months, okay? You gotta get 10 million views in 3 months. I will go the first way, you feel me? Because you still gotta get 1,000 subscribers at the end of the day, but you only gotta get 4,000 hours of watch time. 4,000 out of the year. Out of 1 year. 4,000 hours in 1 year. Instead of 10 million views, 10 million views in fucking 3 months. You feel me? It's different, because 10 million views, that's 10 million people. That's 10 million eyes. You feel me? That's hard to grab. 10 million eyes is hard to grab. I would say go the first route. The first route is going to be probably the easiest. It's going to take long. Yeah, I mean, both ways is going to take long, but one is 3 months, the other one is a year. You know what I mean? But if you're really good at YouTube and editing and marketing, you should hit your goal within 3 months. I ain't even gonna lie. You should hit your goal within 3 months. Like right now, only reason why I'm behind, none of my videos is monetized, and I need to get one monetized. Only reason why I'm not monetized is because I only got 100 subscribers. I'm not even gonna back my shit. I don't even be reaching for subscribers. I don't be asking nobody to subscribe to me. I let people subscribe on their own. If they fuck with my vibe, they fuck with my vibe. They don't, they don't. Most people don't really fucking come check out my streams. Nobody really do, for real. But that is A-okay, because at the end of the day, look. Oh, also on Restream, look. I can do this, right? I don't know why it's not showing my Facebook. I don't know why my Facebook, I can see my chat from YouTube, or I can see my chat from Restream. I think it reads my Facebook chat to me. So, but I don't know. I haven't figured it out yet. I ain't gonna lie. That's one thing I'm gonna figure out, and when I figure it out, I'm gonna get back to y'all on that. But that's another little thing you could do with Restream. You can check all your comments right here in just one thing. But back to what I said. I would go with the first route, because 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 hours of view time. All right, and that means 4,000 hours of people watching you. 4,000 hours. So if you want, say like you make a 30-minute video, right? You need, what is it? Yeah, say like you make 30-minute videos, because my videos usually be 30 minutes, 15 to 30 minutes. I ain't gonna lie. 15, I usually try to do 15 max, because nobody want to watch a long-ass video. You feel me? Nobody want to watch a long-ass video unless it's really interesting. You feel me? But I be by myself, so I try to make it 10 to 15 minutes, because who's really gonna sit there and watch a whole 30 minutes video by myself? Nothing. Nobody's gonna sit there and watch a whole 30-minute to an hour video unless I'm live streaming. That's why I live stream, okay? But This is how I just told y'all the secret how to get monetized. And then on Instagram, y'all really need to start paying attention to y'all Instagram, y'all. I'm gonna show y'all. Where is it? Creator tools. Ad payments? Is it ad payments? Nope. Ad placements? Nope. It's my branded content. Boom. So basically what you're gonna do, right? You're gonna open up your Instagram, right? Boom. You're gonna press a little three lines at the top, right? You're gonna open up your thing, right? Bow. You're gonna go down till you see creator tools and controls right here, right? Boom. You click that. And then you're gonna go down to partnership ads, and then you're gonna go to manage ad permissions, ad partners, right? Wait, no, not the ads. I'm tripping. You go to branded content. I'm not ads. I'm sorry. Go to branded content. Then you go to discover projects, right? When you go to branded content, see, I'm gonna show y'all again, bro. Right? You go to branded content, which is what the fuck? Oh, you go to branded content. You press that, right? Boom. You see that status up there that says eligible, right? Make sure y'all stuff say eligible. When that says eligible, you are now eligible to promote a brand and get paid for it. Okay? So make sure when at the top you're eligible. Make sure your account fit the standards, right? Then you'll go to discover projects, right? And it's gonna give you a list of brands that your account fits the criteria of, right? So right now my account, whatever the fuck Super Bottoms is, I can sit there. I look, okay, Super Bottoms, they're paying in euros. I don't know what the fuck how much that is. What's 1,000 euro? I don't know what 1,000 euros is. I think that's $100, right? But look, this is all I got to do. It's gonna show you what you have to do, right? This is a potty. This is underwear for kids to potty train. It's underwear to potty train your kids. You feel me? You feel me? It's like swim trunks, but not swim trunks. You feel me? It's absorbing, but you feel me? It helps kids not, it helps kids learn how to get them into underwear and potty train. They can pee in these, and it's not gonna go everywhere. It's gonna absorb, right? Pretty much. If I wanted to right now, all I have to do is click this button at the bottom and say I'm interested, right? But before you click you're interested or whatever, right? You gotta read what they want you to do, right? Pretty much. In order to get paid off of this, right? You have to make one reel and one story about this brand, right? Promoting this brand. And you have to post this from October 1st to October 31st, 2025. When you do that and you're eligible and you're interested and you do that, you will get paid out. You will get paid out by after that. You'll get paid out by the after that those dates, right? You'll get paid out after those dates. So this company is paying people $1,000 euros, which I think is $100 USD. Let me see. What's 1,000 euros in USD? Hold on, my Siri. Oh shit, 1,000 euros in USD is $1,169. All right, so they're really paying you $1,000 They're gonna pay you $1,000 just to promote this one brand. You feel me? My account is eligible for that. I need to get on that. I ain't gonna lie. And then there's other things. See, this person is showing off photography. Like, you promote their photography business, they're gonna give you $300. They're gonna give you $300. And this is you're gonna have to post this. You're gonna have to make 2 reels on this, and you're gonna have to post that by January 1st or January 1st to February 28th, 2026. So you won't get paid until the year of the date that you have to post it. You won't get paid until the year. I'm just gonna let y'all know that now. Also, like, I get a lot of clothing brands. I get a lot of clothing brands because I don't know why they think rapper. They see my Instagram rapper. They like my Instagram for some reason, like electronics. Like it compares itself to electronics, sportswear, fashion wear, and there's another one. Food. Even though I don't have no type of food on my Instagram whatsoever, right? Like this one right here. See? This person right here wants you to promote their product. They're gonna send, and then some of these people, this is what I'm saying. This is a cool thing about Instagram, right? These people are going to send you the product to review. Some of them is gonna let you keep the product. Some of them might have to send the product back. It's okay. But most of them let you keep the product. So that way they can keep you as one of their promoters. You feel me? They're going to keep sending you stuff to review, and you're going to just review it, make a video on it, and get paid. I don't know if that's the easiest job in the world or not, but I'm telling y'all the method on how to get paid through y'all social media, so that way everybody that's on social media have a fucking way of getting paid. Okay? That way is no excuse, because I get paid through social media sometimes. I'm not even going to bat my shit. I do these promotions, and I get paid. And now I go spend my money on ad promotions. That's what I go do. Or I pay some of my bills off with the money. You feel me? It's like, it's real cool. So I'm making this little video to help y'all out. It says how to learn how to start streaming, but I just gave y'all a gem. I just dropped some gems on y'all. Let me change my scene to demo. I'm not demo. Let me change my scene to scene 3. I just gave y'all, you feel me? I just gave y'all the cheat code. I just gave y'all the cheat code. I just gave y'all golden gems of how to make money on Instagram. I just gave y'all the blueprint on how to make money on YouTube and get your YouTube monetized so you can start making money off it. And I'm gonna tell you this now. You're not gonna start making big money off of YouTube immediately. You're only gonna make like $3 to $5 off of every 1,000 views. So now do the math in your head. You get like 50,000 views. How much money is that? You feel me? Do the math. I'm gonna do the math right now. I ain't gonna lie. So you say you get $5 every 1,000 views, right? 5 every 1,000. So you got 50. So they say you get 50,000 views, right? Do that like times 5, right? That's $250,000 of revenue that you just got to you. Okay? $250,000 that you just got to you. Or you can take that number because it says 325. So let's take that number. Let's take 50,000 again times 3. That's still $100,000. Still $100,000 that you're making off of YouTube. Is somebody knocking on my door? No, he's gone. He's out of town. But that's $50,000 you can make off of it. You feel me? And I just told y'all how to get y'all YouTube monetized. I just told y'all how to make money on Instagram. If y'all don't use this, man, I swear to God, y'all be sleeping. I swear to God, y'all gonna be sleeping. Y'all gonna be fucking sleeping, gang. Because everybody is using, not even everybody don't even know the Instagram method. Not everybody don't know the Instagram method. You feel me? A lot of people got Instagram, got like got more followers than me. And they're not making shit. They're not making shit. I got 3,000. I literally watched my followers drop. I watch my followers drop every fucking day because I don't post as much as I need to. You feel me? I went from having 5,000 followers on Instagram to now I'm like at 3,080, like 3,300 or some shit like that. I'm at 3,810. You feel me? My shit is going back up. My stuff is going back up. But I dropped down. You feel me? I dropped down from 5 to 3. You feel me? I just lost 2,000. You feel me? But yeah, I'm getting partnership deals and shit for $1,000. I'm getting partnership deals for $300, $100 for every post I make. You feel me? And I don't even do that on this Instagram. This is not even the Instagram I do that on. I do that on my whole other burner account. I got 3 accounts on Instagram. And two of them I don't even do it on. I don't do it on 2 of them. That's my secret. That's how I try to keep some money in my pocket and people don't even know. You feel me? People don't even know. That's how I be trying to keep money in my pocket. I be doing this stuff online. I don't really need to go get a job because this is my job. Promoting brands can be your job and you can live pretty decent off of it. Because say you get your YouTube monetized, right? Boom. You somehow get 100,000 views. Boy, you just made almost $1 million off 100,000 views off of one video. Now say you got multiple videos doing 100,000 views. You're getting, first of all, YouTube pays every month. YouTube pays every month. You got to think about that. Every month. One check every month. You feel me? I had a homie, he was like, before YouTube changed their whole little thing. I had a homie. He was making $300 every month off of YouTube, and he wasn't getting nothing but 1,000 views. You feel me? 300. That was the old policy. No, the new policy, since there's too many people doing YouTube, they changed the policy up. That's why they trying to patch it. They trying to patch it so that way not everybody could do it because everybody gonna be lazy. You feel me? Not everybody gonna put in that work, put in that grind. People gonna be lazy when it comes to it. And YouTube people know this. The YouTube people, like people like me, know that other people's gonna be lazy when it comes to this shit. They're not gonna put in that work and dedication because everybody gonna think it's gonna take too long. But after a while, that stuff start adding up. That stuff start adding up. And then on top of that, YouTube people like me know you can't just become famous just off of by posting a video, gang. You can't do it. You can't just post a video and be like something, okay, I hope this is gonna blow up. It's not gonna work like that. It never works like that. Pay for your ads. Pay for ads for your videos, gang. Like, swear to God, you could pay this shit through YouTube. It literally tells you the estimated views based on the amount of money you spend, right? If I spend $200 with YouTube for an ad to promote my video, my estimated views is gonna go from 10,000 to 28,000. That's what it says. 10,000 to 28,000 views, right? They also have other packages too. Like, it's gonna ask you, do you want view count? Do you want people to view your page and subscribe? Do you want people to view a product? Go for the views and then go for the subscribe too as well. Because when you get the subscribers, people are going to tune in. People are going to hit that notification button. And some people, YouTube people be having their YouTube notifications on without even realizing. Some people don't even know how to turn them shits off. So make sure you get them subscribers too, because subscribers matter. Subscribers do matter because those are real fans, right? Get your subscribers up, and then also your views. A lot of people is going off the views. This is how I would do it, right? I would start off with getting people to the page to subscribe to you. Once you get to 1,000 or 2,000, however 1,000 subscribers you want to get to, boom, stop that ad, stop that type of ad flow, right? And then put it on your views, and then take that money and pay for the views. Now it's really paying for the views. I'm not even gonna bap it to you. It's really paying for the views, but it's YouTube pushing you out there. That's what all these streamers and YouTubers not telling y'all. They sitting here in y'all face telling y'all, hey, go to my YouTube, download this, you get that money. You feel me? Whole time they getting paid off for saying that in their videos. I ain't even finna bat to y'all. They getting paid off for saying that in their videos. And then the money that they get from all the downloads that y'all do, trying to get some money, free money off of games, which don't work. And if you really want to win money off of games, bro, use RainBet. Like, I swear to God, look up RainBet. Look up RainBet. You're going to have to download a VPN, because in the United States, they're not letting people in the United States get on RainBet because we got money. That's the reason why. It's easy to win money on RainBet. You can turn $100 into $500 in one day. I've done it. I ain't gonna lie. I've done it, and it's real easy. You're playing a fucking game. You're playing a game. That's all it is. RainBet. RainBet.com. You gotta use a VPN so that way you can use it. And then yeah, you gotta use a VPN for RainBet so that way you can play RainBet, right? And then what I would tell y'all to play is play Mines. Mines is easy, real easy. It's the simplest way to do it, right? Put 3 mines and do the 4 corners every fucking time. You might get a bomb, okay? You're gonna get a bomb here and there, but most of the time you do the fucking 4 corners, well, you gonna make your money back. I ain't even gonna lie. I'm telling y'all the methods on how to make money from your phone, from at home, gang, and y'all better. I'm telling y'all how to make money from your phone at home. I just showed y'all the Instagram method. I just showed y'all the YouTube method. And I'm telling y'all the RainBet method. Alright? RainBet method right now is everybody's doing RainBet method and they're not even talking about it. Nobody's talking about it. Because they don't want y'all to know. I'm here to let y'all know. You can triple your money using RainBet by playing the game. I'm just telling you. I'm telling you, all them other YouTubers and shit talking about download this, you gotta play the game, get to this level, you gotta complete the task. No. RainBet gives you $1 every day to use to turn into real money. Every day that you log in, you get $1. All right? You get $1 every freaking day. Then on top of that, you can load your own money up there. So on top of the dollar, say like you log in 5 days in a row. That's $5. You got $5 to play with. Log in 5 more days. You don't even touch the dollar. You don't even log in for 10 days straight. Don't even touch the dollar. Just get the dollar. You feel me? Just get the dollar. Log in for 10 days straight, bro. Just get the dollar. Save up to $10. And then start betting. Start betting with the $10. Swear to God. You're gonna skyrocket your money. Then the Instagram method. You gotta really double down on the posts on the Instagram. Because if you don't double down on the post, they're not gonna pay you. Just that simple. It's just that simple. Okay? And then, like I said, the YouTube is gonna be a grind. It's gonna be a grind, but I would say go with the first method. 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 hours of watch time in 1 year. Okay? That's easy to complete. Especially if you got fire content, that's gonna be real easy to complete. If you want to go the Reels way, you gotta make 10,000 views on a reel within 3 months, 90 days. Okay, you gotta remember each month is 30 days. Well, not every month is 30 days. You feel me? You got 30 days, 29, 30. No, 30, 31. You feel me? One of those is 29 in there after like every 4 years or some shit like that. You know, I don't know the fucking years. I don't know how the years really work for real. I'm just new to this shit. You know, I've been living in life. But that's all I came on here to tell y'all. Show y'all how to stream. Show y'all how to get y'all YouTube monetized. Show y'all how to make money on Instagram. And to tell y'all the new method of how people are making money through RainBet. Because nobody is telling people that you can make money through RainBet. And it's legit playing a game. You put... Like, I don't even know. I don't even know how to fucking explain it. I have to just show y'all. Like, I have to show y'all. And this is the method for streamers. Every streamer, every influencer is doing this method. I'm trying to tell y'all. See? Look, RainBet gonna pop up. Bow. Okay, people keep sending me that reels. Nobody want to share my reels. So I don't be like literally. If you keep, I'm gonna say this right now on Instagram or anything. If you send me your reels, right, or send me your post to repost, and I send you one back, and you don't repost my shit, on God, I'm not reposting your shit until you repost my shit. I'm keeping it. I'm keeping it that way. I ain't gonna lie. I'm not gonna keep giving out free promo. Nobody's giving me free promo. Fuck y'all, bro. I'm gonna keep it I'm gonna keep it like that. Plain and simple. Bro, y'all want me to repost y'all shit? Y'all gotta repost my shit too, because we both on the same fucking path, gang. On Phono Grade. That shit just blew me, because motherfuckers, this motherfucker send me a reel every day to repost every fucking day, and I don't repost them. Because what do you repost mine? You don't repost shit of mine. You feel me? The only time you repost shit of mine is when it's about you. That's fucking bogus. You feel me? That's bogus as hell. We supposed to be working as a community. You feel me? But look, boom. All these games right here. Look, I'm gonna show y'all. All these games. All these games you can make money off of just by playing them, right? My favorite one is called Mines. My favorite one is called Mines. See, it says casino right there. It's gonna be under casino. You press casino. Boom. It's right there. Mines. That right there. Boom. That's the easiest one. I'm going to tell y'all right now. That is the easiest one to do. But you have to have a VPN, because RainBet is trying to stop the U.S. citizens from getting on it, making money. You're going to have to download a VPN to use RainBet. I'm telling y'all this now. So now ain't no way for people to say, I don't know how to make money on my phone. I don't know how to make money. I can't make no money. I just gave y'all 3 easy methods. 4, actually, because YouTube got 2 of them. It's going to take a minute. I ain't going to lie. The YouTube way is going to take a minute. The Instagram way might take a minute. But you can choose, just look at the dates. Look at the dates. Look at the year. You feel me? If it's close, you go make some money pretty soon. If it's not close, you're just going to have to wait, gang. Just promote the item and wait for that motherfucking thing, that check to hit your fucking account, gang. Bro. And then RainBet is a sure way of making money the same day. If you have like $5, bet your $5. Don't bet the whole $5. See, it's going to take a percentage of the $5, right? Say, because like when I first started, I used the dollar that they gave me. And when I was winning like 13, 15 cents. Because I had $1 though. That's only because I had $1. I was winning like 13, 15 cents every fucking round. But the more money you put down, the more risk you put, it's a fucking, you feel me, casino. The more risk, the better the better payout you might get. You feel me? If that makes sense. You don't. This is what people say. It's like the saying. It's like the saying. You're not gonna make no money if you don't take the risk. What the fuck? You're not gonna make no money if you don't take the risk. All right, you can't be scared to lose it all. Bro, I wouldn't even put it. And then on top of that, I wouldn't even put all my money on that. But I wouldn't. I would never do it. You feel me? But if you want a big payout, you gotta have a big risk. That's all it is. You feel me? So that's all I wanted to come on here and tell y'all. Also wanted to show y'all how to set up a stream, because a lot of people don't know how to do it, and a lot of people been asking me how to do it and how to get their OBS working, all type of stuff. If your OBS is not working, you got to go into settings and change the settings to fit your computer. Not even gonna lie. You gotta know your processing power, you gotta know your RAM, you gotta know your data, you gotta know everything about your computer, so that way you can, you feel me, configure the OBS to the way your computer needs to set up. Because right now, by no means necessary, this computer I'm using is not even a fucking gaming computer. But I have hella fucking games. I got all game content on this bitch. I got all, like, this is really supposed to be an office computer. Just for like regular office work. You feel me? But I use it to game. I use it to stream. You feel me? It's because my eye processing power can handle it. It can handle it. I know my computer. You feel me? And then for some people, all you gotta do is just let OBS run. Just let OBS run sometime. Like, you feel me? Open up OBS on your computer let it sit there for like maybe an hour or so. Let it run. Get used to your computer. Let your computer get used to OBS running. Because if you want, you gotta remember your computer is always learning. It's always learning how to adapt to you and what you're doing and how you move with your computer, right? My computer picks up that I like to edit videos, I like to stream, and I like to play games all the time. And I like to fucking watch shit. You feel me? My computer, I can watch movies real fast. I can watch YouTube real fast. I can stream real fast. I can, you feel me? I can play games real fast. You feel me? But anything else is gonna take my computer some time to like catch up. You feel me? I can. It even got used to CapCut. CapCut used to lag the shit out of my computer. But I just let that CapCut run. And then on top of that, I learned to run CapCut in safe mode. If you run CapCut in safe mode, it reduces lag by a ton. Because when you go back to do that playback, and then on top of that, some of y'all be having lag on CapCut. It's because y'all have too many overlapping videos. Y'all gotta hide those. This is how I'm gonna do a separate video. I'm gonna do a separate video on editing. Okay, on editing on CapCut with computer. Okay, with computer. I'm gonna show y'all how I do it. I'm gonna do like just a little something. You feel me? I just come up with something and just put it together and show y'all. All right. But this was 217 Tone teaching y'all how to make money online. Okay. That's it. Remember, RainBet. You don't even gotta be a streamer. You don't even gotta be a streamer to use RainBet. You could be a regular civilian. I ain't gonna lie. You don't need to be a streamer to use RainBet. You could be a regular civilian. You could be a Vic if you want to. Like you could be anything you fucking want to. You still use RainBet. Just get that VPN. Use RainBet, bro. I suggest RainBet because it's easy. Use Mines. Mines is easy. I learned the method off Mines from somebody on Instagram. I learned the method from somebody on Instagram. I be joining these chats and stuff, and they be teaching me the methods on top of stuff. I'm also finna get into get into stock and trading again, and I'm finna tell y'all how I go about it, because really I used to be at the point where I just wake up, press a button, and I made $500 that day. But now I lost it because I don't have no money in my accounts no more. I have no money in my accounts at all whatsoever, and I don't own no share of stocks. I need to get my fucking 30 shares of Apple back. Okay, that's what I want. My 30 share of Apple back. One share of Apple costs $230. Just letting y'all know. And I had 30 shares of that. I sold all that. I sold all 30 shares for like $10,000. And then after that, I think I blew through that $10,000. I bought a fucking car. I bought a Mustang. I bought a whole bunch of other random ass shit for the car. And then after that, the money was just going left and right to bills. I ain't even bad. I ain't saying none of that shit. I ain't gonna lie. But when I get there, I'm gonna show y'all the method on that too. When I get back to that same trading method, I just gotta get back into it again. Cause now I'm waking up at 4 o'clock every fucking morning now. And then if I don't wake up at 4 o'clock, I'm waking up at 8. That's still enough time for me to trade in the day. Okay, that's still enough time for me to get up and click. Cause everybody be waking up. Most people be trying to get off around 8. Trying to get off the market around 8. I be just getting in the market around 8. You feel me? But yeah, this is 217 Tone. Yeah, the stream said learn how to stream with 217 Tone, but it's also learn how to get some money. I'm not even finna change the title. Motherfuckers gonna have to watch this stream to learn the method. And that's how y'all gonna understand the method with me. Because with me, I'm not gonna sit here and tell y'all the method every fucking time I get on stream. No. You're gonna have to go watch my shit, go back, and figure it out. Bro. I'm only gonna say it one time. I might promote it. That's it. But it's been 217. It's 217 Tone. It's been real with y'all. And I'm gonna head out. Alright.